Okay, Susan, let's start.
Hey guys, good afternoon. My name is Susan Thapa, and today I am going to present about the reporting and documenting a specific smart building in New Zealand construction industry. First of all, smart building. In New Zealand, smart building is generally a structure that is smaller in size, such as residential house, small commercial building, community hall, cabin, based on local building code and regulation. And the importance and relevance of small building design in New Zealand. First of the important the environmental consideration. It contributes to sustainability by minimizing carbon footprint and preserving natural resources, requiring few resources for construction and maintenance. Second one is housing affordability. Affordable housing option addressing the ongoing affordability challenges and promoting diverse and accessible housing solution in market.
Throw that underneath.
And urban planning and designing. Compact design promotes sustainable urban planning, efficient land use and reduce infrastructure costs, particularly in New Zealand, which help to manage urban sprawl and enhance city reliance, resource efficiency. Due to their smaller physical footprint, require fewer construction material and energy promoting resources, efficiency and responsible building practice. Next one is design process for small building. First one is functionality. It ensures efficient space use and usability features to meet user needs and create a particular practical and functional space. Second one is sustainability, reducing environmental impact through eco-friendly material and energy efficiency with global sustainability goals. Third one is user needs, a user-centric approach to design prioritize understanding user needs, habits, as well as requirement to enhance the user experience and satisfaction. Fourth one is material. Effective material selection balance aesthetic functionality, sustainability and budget to ensure longevity and environmental responsibility in design. Fifth one is time. Efficient project management is vital for meeting design deadline, client expectation. And the last one is cost implementation. Balancing design aspiration with budget constraint require informed cost management, decision on material, labor and scope. Designing criteria in design load. First one is functional requirement. Specific the intent, purpose and performance expectation of structure or system, code and standard. In industry specific regulation and standard to ensure compliance and safety. Third one is environmental condition. Account for factors like climate, seismic activity and other site-specific conditions that impact structural integrity. Fourth one, aesthetic and user requirement. Consider the visual appeal and user experience to meet both functional and subjective needs. And safety factor. Safety factor in designing load. Material strength. First one is material strength. Applies safety factor to account for uncertainties in material properties, ensuring structural integrity under varying condition. Second one is load assumption. Incorporate safety margin in estimating load to accommodate potential variation and uncertainties. Third one is structural analysis. Employ safety factor in structural analysis to ensure the system can withstand loads beyond typical condition. And the last one is occupancy and use. Consider safety factor related to the intended occupancy and uses of the structure to ensure it can handle unexpected stress. Factor influencing design criteria selection. First one is site condition. It's characterized including topography, climate, soil condition, and local regulation. By guiding design decision for an environmental responsible approach. Fourth one is second one is budget constraint. The axis financial constraint to set realistic budget, guiding decision on material. Third one is construction method. Evaluating construction method, technology, and material suitable for small building scale, ensuring feasibility with budget constraint. Fourth one is technological advance. Stay update on construction tech and design tool to boost efficiency and performance in small building. Key structural element. First one is structural element. In it ensures by beam, column, wall, floor, and a pillar which distribute horizontal and vertical load. Second one is foundation. It is essential for structural support and come in shallow and deep type. Soil analysis is crucial for determining bearing capacity, settlement, and potential lateral movement. Footing transmit load from the structure to the soil for stability. And the last one is substructural requirement. Waterproofing, drainage, retaining wall, ventilation, moisture control, structural support, and utilize integration planning ensure efficient plumbing, electrical, and HVAC system in basement. And the conclusion: small building design in New Zealand emphasize functionality, affordability, and sustainability, integrating user needs and safety consideration. The New Zealand focus on key structural element and responsible building practice ensure durability and contribute to a sustainability built environment. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much for your
And here is my
presentation.
reference.
Yeah. So please ask your questions.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
as I saw in your slide, you mentioned that the commercial buildings also belongs to the small building. So can you give some example what type of buildings are small building in New Zealand context?
Yes, very good question.
Okay. For example, like can see. For example, like you can see the warehouse in Queen Street, as well as the countdown in the same street.
Yeah.
So can you tell me the advantage of small buildings?
You didn't answer, come here. Did you get your point? Okay.
Okay, can I ask?
One by one. Yes, Muhammad asked.
In design criteria, why are codes and standards are necessary?
In designing criteria, code and regulation are necessary to ensure safety, regulatory compliance, as well as establish guidelines.
Can you tell what are the differences between small building and large building?
Obviously, first one is small building is small.
Yeah.
Big building
Yeah.
is big.
Yeah.
Both have one advantage and disadvantage. Advantage.
And actually differences between small and large building for construction.
As compared to bigger building, small building is low in cost
Yeah, yeah.
and it take limited small space. And as compared to small building to large building, it is
Yeah. Okay, that's all. Yeah, nicely good.
Okay, any more questions?
No, already 3 questions.
Okay.
Really, he attempted 3 questions.
Okay.
Very
Thank you so
nicely.
much. Thanks for your presentation. Thank you.